Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So, last week we did come back down into the 18,100 area and then just buy stepped in again. So this is a little bit different to what it looks like on the Dow and the S&P 500. Those are still drifting a little bit lower, but the DAX is onwards and upwards. Trend is up. You shouldn't even be considering looking for any shorts. The trouble that we've got is you're not really getting an opportunity to get well-structured entries. So if you look at this zone here, and this is between 18,103 and 18,067, you can see we broke through it, came back, did kind of test there, and then onwards and upwards. Oscillators on the higher time frame are all overbought. So you want to be very careful about what you are, or what you're looking for. So, looking at the hour, there is some structure. There's actually quite a bit of structure. Let's just get them in, and then we'll look at those levels on the 15-minute. There, and here we go. Right. So, first level, which is fairly key, but it was tested on Friday, which is this 18,244. So that is the first level. I don't think you're going to get there, but if you do get there, that would be a fairly decent area to be buying in. This is another very strong area at 18,264. We're looking to buy off that. And then you have 18,286, which would be another area to buy. So yeah, it's onwards and upwards until it's not at the moment. So you're looking to be buying off one of those three levels. I'd wait for price action. So you want to see pin bars, you want to see engulfing bars, or you want to see inside bars. So you can see there's an engulfing bar pattern, there's a pin bar, and there's an inside bar pattern. But you want to see that on one of these three levels, and that would be your trigger to be looking for something better. What could also happen, keep it in the back of your mind, is this is the previous high at 18,319. So what could also happen is we could just bounce up above there, come back and test it, and then continue up. So yeah, that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. You're only looking for longs, you're not looking to short this at all. But you want to see solid price action off some structure. Friday, there was I'm just going to put these three levels in here. So you can see this area here where we broke through, we messed around with the range bar there, and again tried to test this, and then we sort of broke through on Friday. But you can see the closest entry that you had was here, 11:15. So that's 11:15 GMT time, and you can see there's your big engulfing bar off this level at 18,215, and then there was another one up there at 18,244, but it was really messy and really difficult to get going. So anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Wait for these levels. 18,286 is probably what's going to happen, to be honest. 18,264 is a very strong level that I'd also pay attention to, and then obviously 18,244, and then you've also got this area down here of support. So there's lots of support here, but those are the three areas that I'd be looking for an opportunity to buy. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.